What is gray divorce? Gray divorce can reshape finances, housing, and retirement at a stage of life when stability matters most. Gray divorce generally refers to the end of a marriage involving spouses age 50 or older. In New York, the term does not have a separate statutory definition, but it is commonly used to describe later-in-life divorce. The answer is that gray divorce is a divorce involving older adults, and it often raises more complex financial issues because the marriage may have lasted for decades. These cases often involve retirement planning, long-term asset accumulation, and detailed property arrangements. Research cited in this guide shows that divorce among adults age 50 and older rose sharply over time and remains a significant issue. One reason gray divorce stands apart is that spouses may have less time to rebuild savings after the marriage ends. New York allows no-fault divorce when a marriage has been irretrievably broken for at least 6 months, but economic issues must still be resolved before the court grants the divorce. That means even when both spouses agree the marriage should end, property division and support still require close attention. New York follows equitable distribution, which means courts divide marital property fairly rather than automatically splitting everything equally. Marital property can include the home, investment accounts, vehicles, business interests, and retirement assets acquired during the marriage. Separate property, such as certain premarital assets, gifts, or inheritances, generally remains with the original owner unless it has been mixed with marital funds. Courts look at factors such as the duration of the marriage, the age and health of both spouses, income and earning capacity, and non-monetary contributions made as a homemaker. In a long marriage, those factors can strongly affect how a judge balances fairness between the parties. Spousal support, called maintenance in New York, is often central when one spouse has spent years out of the workforce or earns much less than the other. Although New York uses a guideline formula, courts may adjust the result based on the facts of the case. Retirement accounts are often among the most valuable assets in a gray divorce. Pensions, 401k plans, and IRAs funded during the marriage are generally subject to equitable distribution. Some employer-sponsored plans may require a qualified domestic relations order, while IRA transfers must be handled properly to avoid unnecessary taxes or penalties. Housing can also be a defining issue in Manhattan, where couples may need to address co-ops, condos, or rent stabilized apartments. A divorce lawyer may need to examine bylaws, title issues, lease rights, refinancing concerns, and the timing of any sale or transfer. Health insurance is another major concern, especially when one spouse relied on the other spouse's employer-provided coverage. COBRA may allow temporary continuation of coverage for up to 36 months, but the cost is usually higher because the employer no longer subsidizes the premium. The guide also notes that protecting financial security may require gathering records, valuing major assets, reviewing tax consequences, and updating estate planning documents after divorce. The emotional impact can be substantial as well, affecting identity, routines, family relationships, and future planning. An attorney can help a spouse understand how property division, maintenance, and retirement planning work together, and an attorney can also help address decisions involving co-ops, condos, and long-term financial goals. The law office of Richard Roman Shum, Esq. is the law firm to call at 646-259-3416, located at 20 Clinton Street, FRNT 5D, New York, New York, 10002, United States.